So, guys, just in case you want to start graphic design and you don't have a laptop but you have a smartphone, I have something to offer to you, or let me say, I have something that will help you to achieve that. So, you not having a laptop doesn't mean that you can't be a graphic designer. With the help of your phone, you can be able to become a good graphic designer. So, let's start. You need Pixel Lab before you can be able to do that. So here I already have Pixel Lab on my own phone. I'll just go straight and launch it. So after launching the Pixel Lab, what you need to do is you have to scroll to the end. That's how I always do my own. I scroll to the end and select a white background. After selecting a white background, then you come up to this place where you see these three dots up here. You click on it. After clicking on it, you go to image size. Click on image size, and you set the size that you want. If you look at it well, the width and the height is 1200 by 1200. It means it's a square shape. And what I need is not a square shape. I need a portrait. So I'm going to increase the height by, let me increase it by, it's 1208. 80, let me change it to 1380. I'm still not okay with what I have. I'll still come back to the size again and turn it to 1480. 1480. I think I'm starting to get what I want, but I still want it to be longer than this. So I'll come to the size again and turn it to 1580. Yes, I now have what I want. So now I'm done with setting the size. What um what we are going what we are going to right now is we are going to begin our design. So for me, I need a white background for this. Then I'll start including my shapes, pictures, and write-ups. So one thing I want you guys to understand with graphic design, if you don't want your graphic design to look childish, you just have to stick to like three, maximum of three different colors. The highest you should put is four colors is even not advisable. Now we are starting by including some shapes and then the logos before we start putting the write-ups. So first thing we need to do, if we want to insert shape, you come to this middle button that is here that looks like a diamond. Click on it. After clicking on it, you see many options. You see import, draw, shapes, and the rest. So now we are looking for shapes. That's what we are looking for. Click on shapes. After clicking on shapes, it will give you something like this. So this is a shape already on its own, but the reason why you are not seeing it is because the background of our design is white and the shape also came in white color. So for us to differentiate it, come to the color and then give it a color. Now you have seen that we have given it a color and the shape is coming out. So we can come to this radius and make the shape look kind of curvy. Then do it this way. This is what we are trying to achieve. This is what we want. Now press this good sign. It means we are okay with the shape. Then I'm going to adjust it and then bring it to this place. So I'm going to increase the size a bit. This is based on what I want. Good. So now for us to make things easier for ourselves, for us to make things very, very easy for ourselves, instead of going to add more shapes to start from beginning, going to insert and the rest. So since we already have this shape here and I want to duplicate this shape, what I need to do, I've selected it. I'll come to this button that has something like a pencil. Click on it. After clicking on it, you see duplicate, the first one here. Once you click on it, you see that our shape has been duplicated. Then you move this to wherever you want to put it. So let me start by putting it here, but this time I want it to be smaller, and I'll reduce the size, put it around this place. Good. Then again, I still need a shape like this, one more. And I'll go to the place, duplicate it again, and I'll come here and put it. But this time I want this color to be red, so I can come to this, scroll, see color, enable it. After enabling it, you can be able to choose any color of your choice. So I'm going with red. For me, I'm going with red. So I'm okay with the color red. Then this one, I think I'm going to put red also here. Good. It's the kind of red I want. And I would like this to come out from, like, this red should go behind the blue. What I just need to do is I'll click on the blue and come to this place, this one that wrote to front. Click on it. I've taken it to the front, so it's now in front of the red. Good. It's like we are moving. Then I need to include the logo. Let me import the logo. So this is my logo. If you like, you can just make it look cycle. Click on this to make it have a cyclic shape. You have many ways of doing it. Even though my logo is already in PNG form, doesn't have a background. So here is my logo, J Graphics. Good. So next I need to put a shape here where I need to insert a picture. So I will go to change the shape color. Maybe I'll put, even though the color of the shape does not really matter at this point. Yes, then now in this shape, we are okay with the shape like this. Then we have to come to texture. When we go to texture, then we select image from our gallery. Let us say I want to put this picture there. Let me go with it. So if you see it, so look at it very well. I've already so let me reduce the size a bit. Yeah, I think this is okay. Good. So in case I don't want my picture to look like this, sorry, I want to put, let me say, a highlight, or let me say a background, a border to this cycle that I put my picture in. I'll just click on it, then go to stock, then enable it. After enabling it, it already comes in white, so it normally comes in white, so I can increase it. So to make this picture come out, I still have to do some things again. I might decide to just go to, sorry, let me go back again, shadow, enable it, and then maybe increase the blur radius. And if you look at it well, it now has a black shadow. And again, I'm not still done. Then inner shadow, I'll enable it. After enabling it, then I'll select any color of my choice. This is black. It came in black already, so I can decide to increase or to decrease it. It depends on what I want. So I think I'm okay with this like this. So the next I need to do is to add the name of the company. So let me add the name of the company. I have to go to text. This letter A that you are seeing here. Click on it. Click on this plus button. Drag it to anywhere so that you can be able to see it clearly. So the name is J Graphics. J Graphics Media House. So it's here already. Then I have to go and do some things to make it look better. Choose a font. Let me use this. Let me use either or this. No. So you can select any font of your choice. May I have some personal fonts I use, just in case you don't like it. And again, mind you, this looks like a black color, but it's not completely black. So you have to go back to color and select black. Good. So here is my brand name. So I need to reduce the size. I don't like the size. The size is too big. So the size. Good. Size is in 42. The more you reduce it, the more it becomes smaller. So I want it like this. Click on OK. Good. I'm done with the company name and the logo. So what I need to do next is I'll put in more write-ups. So instead of starting afresh, I'll just come and duplicate this write-up. I'll just come and duplicate the write-up, bring it to where I want it. Then the next write-up should be learn graphics design. Learn graphic design. Increase it. I'll still have to duplicate this. With your smartphone. But this time, this one is going to be smaller. And I'm changing the font. After changing the font, I'm changing the size also. I'm reducing the size. After reducing the size, then I'll increase the line spacing, not the line spacing, the spacing between the text. Wait here. Good. Then now smartphone comes next. Even this smartphone, I have to reduce it. Let me reduce it. Reducing the size to make it fit. Yeah, think it looks better like this. To learn graphic design with your smartphone. So to make this one stand out, or let's have good color combination, I think I'm going to make this one to look bold. After bolding it, Good. I've bolden it. Then let me give it a different color. Yes. Where's our color? Good. Color. Let me try blue. No. Let me try red. I think, yeah, let me go with this. But for your own, you can use any color of your choice. Learn graphic design with your phone. With J Graphics. Duplicate it. The same process. I don't have to explain it again. Now is with J Graphics. So now I still need to do something again. Yeah. I need to put the J Graphics in a shape. So let me duplicate this shape now. I've duplicated it, but I need the size to be reduced. Go to edit and then reduce the size, bring it down, reduce the size, and again let me reduce the radius bits. Yeah, no, good. If I should put it here, it's going to look fine. I think it's good like this. Yeah, let me try putting a blue color and see which one would look better. Color, try blue. Yeah, let me go with blue. Then the write-up in it should be white so that it can be able to be readable. So with J Graphics, I'm just duplicating the text because I already have them. I'll just go and duplicate instead of adding a new text from beginning. And this, I'll just I'll turn it to white. The text, I'll turn it to white color. Go and look for white color. Click on it. Go to J Graphics. Yeah, then I still have another text again to add. Graphic design made easy. Yeah, I'm going to put it here, but I think I'm going to put blue. Yeah, blue color. Where's the color? Where's the color? Yes, I think blue is okay. So after putting blue color there, okay with the color. But this font, I would like to change the font. Let me go to fonts. Don't like the font. I'm going to put a cursive font. Yeah. Increase the, oh my goodness. That's one issue with increasing the size from this edge. Let me bolden it and see. Good. Graphic design made easy. So this, I'm going to put a white stroke so that to look kind of better. Yes, then let me increase it. Good. Yeah. like it like this. No, duplicate this too. Mm-mm. But this time I'm making this one. I'm giving it a blue color. Yeah. What do I have to do again? So I just need to put the tutor's name. Let me duplicate this. Now tutor. Let me give it white so that it can come out clearly. Then I'm going to put my name there. Yeah, I think this is okay. But this learn graphic design, I need to make it come out very well. So let me give it a stroke. No, let me let me see something. Let me give it a white, a white stroke and shadow. Yes. Let me increase the stroke. Yeah. Then shadow to make it come out good. Inner shadow, let me see if we put an inner shadow, is it going to make sense? Kind of. I'm leaving it like this. For this one, instead of just having single color, let's make it gradient. It should be kind of gradient. Color, gradient, I think. Let's go with this. This. It's not just one color. This one also, I think we should change it. Yeah. Again, if we want to edit the gradient, we can also do that. Yeah, and this should maintain its normal color. I think we are done with our design, but just in case you know better than me, you can improve it. But for me, I think this is okay. I just think this is okay. Shift this one up a bit. Yeah. So I think this is okay. This is okay. Let me include this. Free, yeah, it's free. If you can go to my YouTube and yeah. So now we are okay with this. What we need next to do is we are going to export it. Oh, since all this while I've not been saving, but that doesn't mean anything. I'm using my smartphone, but advisably you save your work in case your software fails. Your effort is not going to be wasted. Save as projects. Let me give it a name: J Graphics Poster Banner Flyer. Good. I've given it a name, and I go back to the same place again, but now I'm saving as image so that I can have it in my phone. So everything is done. We are done for this design. That's all for this video. And if you continue following our pages, watching our videos, I'm very sure you are going to become a very good graphic designer. Peace out.